Welcome to our installation guide for the Williams Brothers roof hatch. As a trusted provider of access doors, roof hatches, floor doors, and more, we take pride in supplying quality products to customers worldwide. Let's get started. Installing a roof hatch onto a flat roof requires careful preparation and attention to detail. Let's take a look at the step-by-step installation process. Start by preparing a hole in the roof deck to match the roof hatch's inside dimension. For large hatches, the roof deck must be reinforced with structural members capable of supporting the hatch's weight. Next, set the unit down on the roof deck, ensuring it is aligned with the hole prepared in the roof deck. Fasten the roof hatch directly into the roof using nails or screws through the pre-drilled mounting holes in the hatch's flange. Finally, apply roof flashing materials and sealants over the roof hatch flange. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a secure and functional roof hatch installation on a flat roof. From the world's largest access door store, thank you for watching. Don't forget to explore our range of top-quality roof hatch accessories such as guardrails, safety posts, safety grabs, and more. Discover more high-quality products on our website or call us anytime at 800-255-5515.